So if you saw the servicing to this Harrier CBHQ base station, Cybernet 134 set from 1981, I've not put the case screws in because I've had to do... Oh, here we go. Usual racket from Nottingham. Yes, the meter is lit. It's probably had another bulb in it sometime, which is probably a little lower than you'd expect. That's going to be a problem. We're probably going to have to change channel. So, just need that to dry overnight. Tango 21 test.
Yeah, you're working, but I've got a really load of SSB on here.
Yeah, Roger. Can we take it to 32? Try that one.
Roger.
Roger, here we are on 32.
Right, okay, okay.
Roger, okay. Done.
You don't sound that good, though.
Oh, don't I? What, in what way?
Well, you sounded a bit rustly and a bit...
Wow, am I just blowing your windows out? Let me just listen to myself. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Oh, testing 1 2, testing 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. I think it's time this standard replacement mic that I'm using got the clamp sorted.
Roger.
Right, I'm ready.
Right, off we go then.
I'm going to put the extension speaker in the same.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. I've got a tone control.
Roger that, so we're heading up the lane to the end of it, passing Woodies, etc., and the new doggy daycare thing, etc. on the right.
Roger on that. I'll try not to waggle the mic around and then it should be okay.
Yeah, roger.
So we're using this on our standard replacement mic, so it's needed the clamp doing for months. So it finally looks like it's giving up the ghost, so we'll need to do
to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane. At the end of the test we'll go through to the customer's own microphone, so you've got a comparison.
Service station 147.9 and 154.9. Oh, it's neat that up. Just a bit. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads. Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads. Roger. across the top of the hill?
You have, yeah.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Yes, we got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
Harrier CBHQ base station from 1981 using Cybernet 124 chassis. We're on my standard replacement mic, which seems to have got a noisy mic lead, and we are doing a full 4 watt output.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger that.
Level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now square wheeled at the temporary traffic lights.
Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah, I think they're fixing a pothole.
Oh, good. Might not break the car then.
Roger, right, we're going through the temporary traffic lights.
Even better.
Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn.
What have you got you at the Greyleys turn?
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Harrier CBHQ because it's a base station. I can't tell you what current it's drawing, but it was within the limits when we had it on the bench, because I did it on the bench power supply. So it's doing a full 4 watt output, and I've set the low power to 400 milliwatts. So here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are, low power doing 400 milliwatts, and then back to high power. There we are, back on high power, over.
Yep, roger that, you were well received on both.
Excellent. I have noticed at this end that it scratches and it has been of late. The leaves are coming back on the trees and it's making a difference, over.
Yeah, you're mostly at 2 bars on, even on full power, although it does occasionally go up to the 4.
Yeah, Roger. It's the same at this end, so I know it's the trees. This is a very sensitive set at 0.28 microvolts. Okay, off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, petrol 145.9, diesel 155.9.
There's a better deal there today. Right, that worked fine. Thank you, 1010.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. And do you have a petrol price for me at that end, please, over?
Yep, petrol 145.9, diesel 155.9.
So it's a better deal there today. Right, that worked fine. Thank you, 1010. Okay. Right, well, we'll go to our base station and we'll try it on that mic, and then we'll try it with the customer's own mic.
Tango 21, testing the Harrier CBHQ with our standard replacement mic into our Midland 76900 base station. Here we are on 4 watts. We'll pop it to low power just in case there's a hum problem. There we are on low power, and then back to full power. There we are back on full power. So now we'll go over to the customer's own mic. Right, here we are with the customer's own mic, which is one intended for business radio, though it's the same style as my standard replacement mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, back to low power. There we're on low power. I've been looking through our wonderful retro parts department from when we did televisions back in the 80s, and I managed to find quite a number of on and offs switches, so I'm hoping one of those is going to